Okay, so this KVM switch has 3 VGAs. That's simple. One in, the other in, and then this one's out. So there's a USB 2 and a USB 1 that's in the printer type format, and then the 3 USBs, and they all say USB console. So I don't know how this works, because if I plug in a USB mouse and a USB keyboard, then how does the USB get to share between the two computers? So all I can imagine is a USB mouse here, a USB keyboard here, and this USB 1 will go out into one of the computers, but that's weird, doesn't make sense. Anyways, this thing doesn't come with a manual. Bought it on eBay. It's called Manual USB 2.0 KVM switch. Is there a model number here? It says 2 ports. Most economics. And that is it. Oh, model FJT2UK4UK. So that's Frank, Jack, 2 is the number 2, umbrella, kite /4, umbrella, kite. Alright.